In recent decades, there has been a growing recognition of the intricate relationship between the mind and body, particularly in the context of physical health. It's a profound realization that many people are beginning to accept. Our mental and emotional states can significantly influence our physical well-being. This concept is often encapsulated in the phrase mind over matter, but what does it truly mean? This article will explore how psychological factors can contribute to physical ailments, the implications of this connection, and what steps can be taken to harness the power of the mind for better health. The mind-body connection. The idea that the mind can influence the body is not a new one. Ancient medical practices, such as traditional Chinese medicine and Ayurveda, have long recognized the importance of mental and emotional health in physical ailments. However, modern science has begun to provide a more substantial understanding of this connection. Research in fields such as psychoneuroimmunology has demonstrated that our thoughts, emotions, and psychological states can directly affect our physical health. For instance, stress is a common psychological state that has been linked to a variety of physical health issues, including heart disease, obesity, and autoimmune disorders. When we experience stress, our bodies release a cascade of hormones, including cortisol and adrenaline, which prepare us for a fight or flight response. While this response can be useful in acute situations, chronic stress can lead to long-term health issues, as the body remains in a heightened state of alertness. The role of stress and anxiety. Stress and anxiety are two of the most common mental health issues that can manifest as physical ailments. Individuals suffering from anxiety may experience symptoms such as headaches, gastrointestinal disturbances, muscle tension, and fatigue. These symptoms can often be so debilitating that they lead individuals to seek medical attention, where they may be diagnosed with various physical conditions. Interestingly, studies have shown that individuals with high levels of anxiety are more likely to report physical symptoms, even in the absence of a diagnosable condition. This phenomenon is sometimes referred to as somatization, where psychological distress is expressed as physical symptoms. For instance, a person may feel persistent pain or discomfort that has no clear medical explanation, leading to frustration and further anxiety. Psychosomatic disorders. Psychosomatic disorders are conditions in which psychological factors play a significant role in the manifestation of physical symptoms. These disorders highlight the profound influence that the mind can have on the body. Conditions such as irritable bowel syndrome (IBS), fibromyalgia, and chronic fatigue syndrome are often characterized by physical symptoms that have a strong psychological component. In the case of IBS, for example, patients may experience abdominal pain, bloating, and irregular bowel movements. While there may be a physiological component to these symptoms, psychological factors such as stress, anxiety, and depression are known to exacerbate the condition. Treatment for IBS often involves not only dietary changes but also psychological interventions such as cognitive behavioral therapy (CBT) to address the underlying emotional issues. The placebo effect. The placebo effect is another compelling illustration of the mind's ability to influence physical health. The placebo effect occurs when a patient experiences a real improvement in their symptoms after receiving a treatment that has no therapeutic value, such as a sugar pill. This phenomenon demonstrates that belief and expectation can have a tangible impact on health outcomes. In clinical trials, the placebo effect can sometimes account for a significant portion of the observed benefits of a treatment. Researchers have found that when patients believe they are receiving an effective treatment, their bodies can produce real physiological changes, such as reduced pain or improved function. This underscores the importance of the mind in the healing process and raises intriguing questions about the potential for harnessing this power for better health. Emotional health and physical well-being. Emotional health plays an integral role in physical health. Negative emotions such as anger, sadness, and fear can contribute to a range of physical ailments. When individuals suppress or fail to process these emotions, they may manifest as physical symptoms. For instance, unresolved grief can lead to chronic pain or fatigue, while prolonged anger can contribute to hypertension. Conversely, positive emotions and a strong sense of purpose can promote better health outcomes. Studies have shown that individuals with strong social support networks, a positive outlook, and a sense of purpose in life tend to have better health and longer lifespans. Engaging in activities that promote emotional well-being, such as mindfulness, meditation, and physical exercise, can have profound effects on physical health. The power of visualization. Visualization is a technique that involves creating mental images to influence physical and emotional states. Athletes commonly use visualization to enhance performance, but it can also be applied to health and healing. By visualizing a healthy body, individuals can create a sense of well-being and promote healing. This technique harnesses the mind's ability to influence bodily functions and can be particularly effective in managing pain or anxiety. Research has shown that guided imagery, a form of visualization, can lead to reductions in pain and anxiety levels in patients undergoing medical procedures. By focusing on positive imagery and outcomes, individuals can shift their mental state and, in turn, influence their physical health. Practical strategies for harnessing the mind-body connection. Understanding the connection between the mind and body is just the first step. The next is to implement practical strategies to harness this knowledge for better health. Here are several techniques that individuals can adopt to promote emotional and physical well-being. 1. Mindfulness and meditation. Practicing mindfulness and meditation can help individuals become more aware of their thoughts and feelings, allowing them to process emotions in a healthier way. These practices have been shown to reduce stress, anxiety, and depression, leading to improved physical health outcomes. 2. Cognitive behavioral therapy (CBT). CBT is a therapeutic approach that focuses on identifying and changing negative thought patterns and behaviors. This therapy can be particularly effective for individuals suffering from anxiety, depression, and psychosomatic disorders, helping them to develop healthier coping mechanisms. 3. Regular physical activity. Engaging in regular physical activity has numerous benefits for both mental and physical health. Exercise releases endorphins, which can improve mood and reduce stress. It also promotes better sleep, enhances cognitive function, and contributes to overall physical well-being. 4. Healthy nutrition. A balanced diet rich in whole foods, fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins can support both mental and physical health. Nutritional deficiencies can affect mood and cognitive function, so it's essential to fuel the body with the nutrients it needs. 5. Building strong social connections. Cultivating strong social relationships can provide emotional support and a sense of belonging, both of which are crucial for mental well-being. Engaging in social activities and building a supportive network can help mitigate stress and promote overall health. 6. Seeking professional help. If individuals find themselves struggling with their mental health or experiencing unexplained physical symptoms, seeking professional help from a therapist, counselor, or medical professional can be beneficial. A holistic approach to health that considers both mental and physical aspects is essential for effective treatment. Conclusion. The intricate relationship between the mind and body is a fascinating and complex area of study that has significant implications for our understanding of health and illness. The realization that our thoughts, emotions, and psychological states can influence our physical well-being is empowering. By recognizing the power of the mind, individuals can take proactive steps to improve their health. In a world that often prioritizes physical health above all else, it is crucial to remember that emotional and mental well-being are equally important. By fostering a deeper understanding of the mind-body connection and implementing strategies to promote emotional health, individuals can not only alleviate physical symptoms but also enhance their overall quality of life. The journey toward better health begins with the mind, and by nurturing it, we can unlock the potential for healing and well-being.